A famous man once said, "Alcohol is the anesthesia by which we endure the operation of life." Hey guys, Tom here. Welcome back to the Underground. And that was a quote by George Bernard Shaw. I think he was a writer, but I thought that was cool. And we might do some more of those because I thought that was a lot of fun. But anyway, today, as you can see, the shootout continues. We are trying to find the best shot that I remember from my youth, from maybe your youth. And I don't mean youth like a little kid. I mean youth like my early drinking when I was 21 or thereabouts. But we've done a few so far. Some have moved on, some we're still deciding. And we are going to continue that today with our next matchup. Let's see, this is going to be fun. So let's draw them out right away. And while I'm deciding, if come and see us a lot. If you're new to the Underground, we have a lot of fun. We do stuff like this. You can, by all means, subscribe to the Underground. And then when you do subscribe, make sure you turn on notifications, hit the bell. So when the bar's open, you'll be told and you come hang out with us and have a good time. As we make things like, ooh, this is gonna be ugly. The cement mixer. That's just one of those ones that but I remember it from back in the day. So how about you guys? In the comments, tell me when you were young, now again, I'm dating myself. So people like from my generation, what did you drink shots when you were young? I know now, or even now, whoever. Tell me what you drink for your party shots if you're out having a good time and not overindulging. But I'd be curious. Oh, yes, this. That's right, the KAMIKAZE. These are going to be somewhat similar, I think. Well, some similar ingredients, but I'm looking forward to it. To me, we'll get into that as we go. But first, let me get set up for these two drinks, and then we'll see which one's best. All right, the two we're making today. One is, they're both really simple. And that's the cool thing about some of these shots. They're going to be really simple. One is 2 ingredients, one is 3 ingredients. One has a little bit of a strange method. You could do it a couple of 2 ways. But we'll start with the good old KAMIKAZE. Now, to me, I mean, just from, again, I keep talking about how old I am, but for somebody my age, or at least me anyway, I think the KAMIKAZE is to shots what the old-fashioned is to cocktails. I think maybe it's because that's the one I remember drinking. And that's the one, that might be the first shot I had. Although I do remember one time I was with my brother, and I mean, both my parents have passed on, so nobody can get in trouble for this right now. I was with my brother. I'm sure I wasn't 21. We're out, and he goes, "Oh, give me this." And I drank it down, and I spilled some on me, and oh my God, it burned so bad. And here it turns out he's giving me shots of 151. But they texted him. He sent me on my road to where we are today. So KAMIKAZE, real simple. It is 1 part. No, I don't know if that's clean. 1 part vodka, half of a part of triple sec, and then a little splash of lime juice. Now, when, tendon bar, excuse me, I got a frog in my throat. I'm gonna clear that out. Cheers. I remember Kending Bar, we wouldn't use fresh, we would use Rose's lime juice. But not today. I never got an ice, so I will use, do I have any prep ice? Yeah. I'll just use one of my clear ices. Although, do you guys know how to make clear ice? It's really pretty simple, but you can talk about it one day if you like. Real.
I shake it up, shake it up. I shake it up, shake it up. I shake it up, shake it up. Shake it up, shake it up. Shake it up, shake it up. I shake it up, shake it up. Shake your body line.
Let's see, we'll put that in this one. As I clean up my mess. Yep, just the way I remember it. Just the way I remember it. It's kind of like, there's a lot of drinks. It's like a Cosmo is kind of like a Kamikaze. Excuse me. A margarita is similar to this, but with tequila as opposed to vodka. Orange liqueur and lime are really pretty basic ingredients, but you can do great things like this, make a Kamikaze. And if this moves on, there's variations of it we can do. It'll be a lot of fun. So there's our first one for the day. My childhood, my early cocktailing experience favorite, the Kamikaze. Okay, this next one. Admittedly, some people might. Do I have more of these? I should have more like this. Where did I put them? All right, we'll have to go another way here because I don't, unless it's over here. Oh, it's over on the drying rack. This one, the cement mixer. There's two ways you can do this. First, you can pour your ingredients, which consist of equal parts Bailey's or Irish cream of your choice. I think we did an Irish cream. Did we do an Irish cream taste at any point? I think we may have. And lime juice. Oh, that was a chunk of lime. It's going to make it even more interesting. Now, there's two ways you can do this. We're going to do it just so you can see. I don't know. We'll try it in here. I don't know if it'll work, but we'll see. You could pour the Baileys in your mouth, don't swallow it, and then mix them in your mouth. And it's called a cement mixer because it kind of gets gnarly. Like, it's just because you're putting citrus into something creamy. You do the math. But for the sake of argument, we're going to pour them in here so you can see what it looks like. And then we're going to drink them. So there is our second one for the day. as we explore all things shot and shooter in the Great Shot Shootout. So I'll do it this way. 1, 2, 3. The cement mixer. All right, gang. This I put this up here because that's kind of how I remember doing it. We would order a pitcher of KAMIKAZE. You know, how many shots you got out of that depended really on the bartender and the size of the shot glasses they had. But we'll see if there's any in there afterwards. I'm going to do this one. Try this one first, because if I think I do this one first, I'm not going to want to drink this one. So without further ado, I haven't had one of these since I think this was the first ever shot short that I did. And that was a long time ago because we've done over 150 of them, I think. So it's time. Ready? Drink. Cheers to you guys for hanging out with me and spending a little time here at the Underground. We have a very, very nice clientele here at the Underground, and I'm glad you guys are part of it. Come back and see us again and again. And if you want to do us a favor and like the video, share the video, you know, let some friends know that this is a cool place to hang out and they should check it out. So with that in mind, cheers to the KAMIKAZE. Just like I remember it. It's so much better with the real lime juice than it is with roses. But just doing the stuff I do, and see, that's just mostly water. Some of the chill came off it, so we'll see. All right, now, actually, let me clear out my mouth. I want you to get a good look at this because it's going to be gross. Why you want to drink this? Well, here, this is what we're going to do. I'm only going to do half of it. See, it doesn't look that gross in the can, although it does look like it's separated a little bit. Things I do for you guys. Cheers. It doesn't taste bad. It's kind of like drinking cottage cheese. So this is the way you're supposed to do it. Cheers. It's actually better that way because in the glass, it has more time to make the chunks. I mean, let's face it, it's curdling. You're putting citrus into cream. What do you expect? Again, it's not bad flavor. It's actually kind of tasty. It's just a texture thing. I know there's some people that are like kind of weird about textures. So probably this is not going to be their go-to, as it were. So there you have it. Today's shootout. So vote in the comments. Vote on, do I post? I think I post them on Instagram, or at least I will. So you can vote there. You know, the same way from the Clash, however you want to vote. You see me in person, you can vote. See me out at a bar, you can vote. See me in the grocery, you can vote. Call me. If you got my number, you can call me and vote. I probably won't answer, but whatever. So thanks, guys, for stopping by. We love having you here at the Underground and hope you come back and see us again real soon. Until then, remember, I'll save a seat at the bar for you. Cheers.